Hey there! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add mentions and tagging functionality in Bubble using the Modern Rich Text Editor plugin. This is perfect for team collaboration apps, blog comments, internal tools, CRMs, or any application where users need to tag other users dynamically. Let's get started. First, we'll install the plugin. Open your Bubble application. On the left side, click on Plugins, then click Add Plugins. In the search bar, type Modern Rich Text Editor, Editor.js, then install the plugin by zeroqode. Once installed, it will appear in your plugin list. Now let's move over to the Design tab. Step 1. Add the editor element to your page. Drag the Modern Rich Text Editor element onto your page. This will be the editor where users can type content and add mentions. You can resize the editor depending on your layout. Step 2. Prepare the mention data structure. Before configuring mentions, let's prepare the data source that will power the tagging system. Go to your Data tab. Here, create a data type for your mention users. For example, we can create a data type called demo user. Inside this data type, create two text fields. Display name and name. Now, if you look at the demo data we created, you'll notice a specific structure. For the display name field, all values are written in lowercase and joined together using hyphens. Then for the name field, the values are written normally using proper capitalization. This setup helps separate the internal mention format from the visible display format shown to users. Now populate your database with a few demo users so the editor has mention data available. Step 3, enable mentions and tagging. Now go back to the Design tab and click on the editor element. Locate the @mention/tagging section. This is where we configure the mention system. For the mention data source, use a search for your demo user data type. Then map the fields accordingly. For the display name field, use the lowercase hyphenated value. And for the name field, use the properly formatted username. This allows the editor to correctly display and insert mentions dynamically whenever users type the @symbol. Step 4, customize your editor experience. While still on the Design tab, you can also configure additional editor settings. For example, placeholder text, placeholder color, header styles, inline tools, and additional blocks like images, lists, quotes, or checklists. This helps create a cleaner writing experience for users interacting with mentions. Step 5, preview and test mentions. Now preview your application. Inside the editor, type the @symbol. You should now see dynamic mention suggestions appear from your configured data source. Select a user from the list. The mention will automatically be inserted into the editor content, and that's it. You now have dynamic mentions and tagging working inside your Bubble application using the Modern Rich Text Editor plugin. This is a great way to build more collaborative and interactive user experiences. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out via the chatbot on the zeroqode website or by email at support@zeroqode.com.